In this video, I'm going to talk about the pros and cons of trading. Okay, so let me share my screen and I'll show you that. So let's first talk about the benefits. So the number one benefit is that it gives you a regular income. And if you are an intraday trader, you don't even have to set full day. You can make some good, decent money in just 5, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, and you can come out of it. And the rest of the day is yours. So regular income in a short time is possible in only stock market. But this happens when you follow a right process, when you have a right mindset, right? It does not happen with everyone because not everyone follows a process and not everyone has a right mindset. So that is number one benefit. Second, it can be done in any of the market situation. So it is not that just that when the stock moves up only then you will make a profit. Even when the stock goes down, then also you can have profit, right? And how will that happen? I will explain in my upcoming videos. The third is it is applicable to all companies. So unlike investment where you look out for good solid companies so that you can put your money into it to grow over a long period of time, here in trading you don't necessarily have to look out for the fundamentals of a company. You don't care what is the business of the company, how well it is doing, whether it is profitable or not. You don't care all that because you are investing into it just for a very small duration. In intraday, as I said, only for few minutes or few seconds. And for that particular duration, you don't need all that information. Okay. So you can do trading in any kind of company and you can make profit. As I said, it is a way to earn quick income as less as 5 seconds. Yeah, 5 seconds is the least I would say you can have. If you are even more fast, okay, intraday trading is all about being more fast and precise. So you can make money in as less as 1 second also, but I believe 5 seconds is a good benchmark. Location independent. Yeah, you don't need an office, you don't need a particular place to do that. You can have just your laptop and internet, and you can be in Mount Everest, or you can be in South Africa, you can be in Europe, or anywhere, or maybe in a small corner of your house, and you can be making money. That is one of the best parts of being a trader. And as I said, no limit on profits. So there's sky is the limit. There's absolutely no limit, but all it requires is a consistency in your trading general. Okay, it won't happen overnight. It also depends on your mindset. It also depends on your risk appetite and so many other factors. Okay, but it doesn't happen, and this is true that there is absolutely no limit on the profits. Now let's talk about some of the drawbacks. So the number one drawback is that it is little bit risky. It means that if you don't follow the right process, if you don't have a system where you cut your loss, if you don't have a right mindset, then you can lose all your capital. It does not happen with everyone. Those who follow a certain process, to those who have the right systems in place, they never lose money beyond a certain point. They have already fixed how much loss they can have. Like for example, I know that my loss cannot be more than 10%. Okay, so I'm very much in peace knowing that this is the max I can have. Max loss I can have 10%. So you need to have this thing in your mind that if you don't follow process, you can lose all your capital. Next thing, in some of the situations, the capital requirement is quite huge. So trading is quite vast. There are so many ways you can enter into a trade, and there are some trade scenarios where the capital requirement is quite huge. Okay, so if you don't have a huge capital with you, many of the trades you cannot trade. You cannot take, right? But yes, good thing is that there are some trading strategies available where you can participate into trading with a less capital also, as less as 10,000 to 15,000. Yeah, this is one of the drawbacks that you have to face societal pressure in the beginning. Like your family may not approve you of doing stock trading because the word stock trading itself is little bit fear invoking in people. Not many people understand that it can be a profitable way to earn income, right? Because not many people are profitable in the in this trading world, and most of the people which people have seen around us in our society, they are classic examples of failure. Okay, so if you also follow in those footsteps, if you also try to do stock trading and people, then people will not understand that you are not a trader but you are a successful trader. They will not understand that. You will, so initially you might face some of the pressure from your family, from your friends, but later on, as you start getting profits, you start showing consistency, and you start showing your freedom to people. Okay, then the perception changes also. Like in my case, when I started, people were not happy, but later on, with my consistency and profits, uh, I turned the tables in my favor. So that is one of the things. Yeah, you might have to face social distancing, not as in COVID terms, but I mean to say that you'll have to spend some time with the computer. You'll have to understand the charts, technical indicators, and a lot of things. And you might have to work alone most of the time, because trading is one thing where uh, you don't have to spend a lot of time talking to other people, unlike other work where you need collaboration between different people. Here, you are a lone person working on your laptop. So most of the time will be spent with your laptop, with your computer, studying charts, stock analysis, and all those things. And there is also one aspect of it which I have realized lately is that when you start getting results in stock trading, people think that you are making quick money. Okay, because if you are able to get money in a day or in a few minutes, and if you tell this to other people, uh, they will not feel very good, because most of the people feel that the respected way to earn money is by doing hard work. Hard work as in you need to sweat, you need to slog hours, you need to work very hard like a donkey day and night, and if you make some money out of it, then it is a respectable money. But if you are making very quick money, then it is not worthy, it is not good enough. So that is one perception, but you can't do anything about it. Slowly, they will change their perception around it. Once they start seeing that you are consistently making and you have changed your life and you have changed life of people around you, then they will start changing their perception. But initially, you will have to face these challenges, right? So that's all in this video. I hope it gave you clarity on what are some of the benefits as well as some of the drawbacks. And I hope this will prepare your mind on whether you want to be a trader or okay. So let's move on to the next video.